Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at the Outback Shop. Here we have that Sportsman 500 HO I was talking about in the previous video. And I have that bandex and the cover all cleaned up. The new bandex is in it with grease down there. I'm letting the silicone tack up. Right down in here, they have this, that little bushing or whatever you want to call it, that the bandex slides in. It's not cracked all the way through, thank God. So I'm just going to put some grease in her and let it roll. Cleaned up these teeth here on the crank for flywheel and cleaned up the sensor. So hopefully everything will work whenever I go to hit the start button. Starter goes when I hit start, so once that bandex engages, it should crank it up. So I'll come back when it's time to, when I have the cover on and everything back bolted up, and we'll see if it works. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here we have the Sportsman 500 HO ready to rock, and we're about to see if it'll start. Let's see. Here she goes. Here goes nothing. I literally have not even tested this yet. This is the first time, so I'm just involving y'all because, this is, we all here together, right? Here goes nothing, guys. If this works, I'm going to be so happy. Oh. Oh, well. Uh-oh. I think the battery's low, but it is engaging now. Hells to the yeah. Yes, I do think that because of the fact that the battery is super low, it's not going to put the bandex out as far as it needs because it's not going to spin fast enough. So it's a success in a sense. Got to charge the battery now. So, but anyway, so that was at least a success on that part. So the bandex is now engaging, the starter is now going, which it wasn't before. And solenoid's engaging, and this switch is working. I do have another one of these on the way to change this out for like the third time or second time. But hopefully the new one will last a lot longer than that one. I don't like this, how you have to push up to start. It sucks. And they only had those on a couple years. I think it stopped in 02. But anyway, and the light switch is all screwed up on this one. But I am so happy that that is going to be done. I'm going to throw it all back together and charge the battery up and fix this air box. I'm going to just throw like a big old zip tie around the sucker to keep it off of the shifter down here because it's rubbing on it. So this needs to kind of sit up here. I'm going to get it sitting up there somehow. But anyway, whenever it's all thrown back together, guys, I'll come back and we'll see what's up. All right, guys. I'll see y'all a little bit later. All right, guys. So we're back with the Sportsman 500 HO the next day after charging the battery, and let's make sure she's going to run. All right. Man, that sucker cranked right up. Hell yeah. I threw a little coolant in it. Put all the plastics back on it, and she's ready to rock once that new switch comes in for the left handlebar. Hell yeah, need to do one of these, like I said. But once that's in, we'll get it delivered to the owner so he can use it for hunting season. I know he's probably needing it back. So, all right, guys. Well, look, that's it. The 500 HO is completely done. I appreciate y'all watching, hanging in there with me. And I hope y'all will hit that like, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications. And I'll check y'all in the next one. Y'all take it easy.